All right, all right, all right, all right. Mhm. Okay, so let's share it with everybody here. Hello, hello, everybody. Can you hear me? One, two, three. One, two, and three, and four. All right, if you can hear me, please type yes on the chat. I appreciate that. Ooh. Okay. All right, so here we go. All right, I do have this S&P 500. No, this is a US 40, US 30. I'm sorry. Possible long on the US 30. Pretty nice, nice setup. Very, very nice setup. Very, very nice setup. All right. Pretty nice, nice setup. All right, so everybody can hear me. I'm sorry if I'm being quiet. I am at my brother's house, and it's I don't know. I think it's six. I'm sorry, 6:30 a.m. here, so no one is awake. All right, so I do have this possible S&P Dow. This is the Dow long. Let's have a look at some other markets. I was looking at possible gold longs today. For gold longs, I want to go higher, right? For to the 15-minute time frame. This is a quite nice scalp that I'm looking at on on the Dow. Now on gold, I was looking at this right here. This liquidity right here has me very intrigued in gold. And this is the main reason I'm not taking longs. Yeah, this is the main reason I'm not taking longs. These are equal lows. This is a strong draw on liquidity. Um, and to be completely honest with you, I see absolutely no setup to go long gold. Well, I did, right? I did. I was possibly feeling a long at this imbalance, right? Just because of that indecision candle that formed the imbalance. I really like this, right? But again, the structure in this market was still bearish when this imbalance was created. This liquidity had not been swept with. So that makes for this, or at that moment in time, made it for a very weak setup. Now we've had that liquidity sweep, right? Now, if we've had that, let's see if we can actually find something else here. I'm gonna tag it a little bit brown, not hot. How many of you are here? Can you hear me, guys? If you can, please type yes on the chat. I would appreciate that. I can't see anything as on the chat. So hello. Yep. All right, so that's gold, Euro USD. Massive sell-off yesterday after CPIs. Now, this is a cool thing. I was looking for US dollar, Canadian dollars, right? So hold on, let's go back to a DXY, and I'm gonna show you a DXY. Possibly we missed it. Who knows? This is the 5-minute chart on DXY. Liquidation of the highs right here. Liquidation of the London session highs, and then a sweep of the lows, changing the character in this market. Possibly we've missed that short opportunity here on the DXY on the tag of this breaker block right here. Possibly, guys, possibly, but still looking for shorts overall on the US dollar. So that means that I will be looking for longs on the Euro USD, looking for longs on the Pound USD, looking for long shorts on the USD CAD. So let's keep up those. Yeah, I'm gonna give myself a heart. Yeah, let's keep that. Let's keep our eyes open for possible shorts on, the DXY, and let's go up again for those. Oh, this look like a VIX. This really looks like a VIX chart, guys. Really, really looks like a VIX chart. I'm not doing anything. Thank you for the hearts. I'm not doing anything with the Japanese yen basket today. So, U.S. equities and U.S. equities. I can't get that excited today. Fuck. U.S. equities and S&P 500. All right. So, the market just opened, guys. The market just opened. So, look at silver. Same thing. Gold. Right. Um, yeah, gold on the. It's been such a long time since I've looked at the 1 minute chart, the 3 minute chart. I really don't like trading those very low time frames. I am not that profitable trading those very long time frames. I am very, very, very profitable day trading, not scalping. So the 50-minute chart is my preferred time frame. That's where I get all my setups, all my sniper trades. Yeah, some days I am not going to get on board with any trade, but I'd rather miss the boat, or I'd rather not get triggered and stay flat than get involved in mediocre plays. Now, I'm going to just look at the DXY's price action here on the 5 minute chart. Mm, I'm gonna do something that I don't do very often. Again, go to a 3 minute chart here, maybe to the 1 minute chart. Just looking for some spots where we can get involved in this market. And I see nothing, man. I see absolutely well, yes, on the 10 minute chart. I mean, this is the thing, right? If you go through enough time frames, you are going to find, points of interest here in this market. All right, so if we do have this on the DXY 10 minute chart, um, let's have a look on the Euro USD 10 minute chart. We should have a pullback zone towards where we can get. No, we don't. There's no imbalance here for me to get involved. Oh, there is one on the pound US dollar. Oh, so here we could have something. All right, I'm gonna place this trade on the pound USD. Right. All right. So it should be at the 21, 21. I don't know. 25.54. That entry. Hmm. Yeah, it's looking very good. So liquidation of the lows. Now we have that market structure shift. It's all very, very convincing. Convincing story for that possible long on the GBP USD. Now, where is my market structure? Here it is. So this is the sweep or the price failure at the lows. Price failure at the lows. Then looking for that pullback towards my point of interest right here for longs. Nice setup. Nice setup. And yeah, I'm gonna target this OB right here. So here's my point of interest. Pretty nice setup. About a 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Um, yeah, if you ask me, it's a 1.96. It's fine. Thought you don't trade US30. Why change today? Because it presented the best, the best setup, mate. It presented the best setup. the US30, right? It presented the best setup. That's what I have to say about that. So placing this, hopefully it will copy again on my account, GBP USD. I'm not gonna be able to place well, this on futures, which sucks. All right, so on the 1 minute chart, I don't know, GBP USD on the 1 minute here. Yes, this is it. So risk is 0.5%, guys, and there you go. Buy limit right here. Stop loss all the way on the lows, and on the 50-minute chart, I am looking for that target at the highs, right at this OB 1.9R. Good. I dig it. Can you dig it? 1.9R. And sending this to my VIPs. Right. Hmm. All right. After this, I'm gonna go log out. My internet is kind of messed up at the moment, guys. I don't know why. I mean, I know why I'm not home. This is a buy limit. It is a buy limit, and I need to figure out something about my futures account that uh, I can't log in. So that's very important for me. So that's a 1.9R. Not the best risk to reward ratio on this one, but a quick day trade for me, and it's okay. 1.9. I will take whatever the market is willing to give me. All right, what I'm going to do is this. I am going to look at that. Well, don't tell me I won't get triggered. Yeah, I'll possibly get triggered here. So, why am I trading the US30? Because it yield the best, the best setup made, and I'm going to explain to you right now. Let me just go through this with my VIPs because it's important, mate. The 15-minute chart should be the same imbalance. Yep, pretty much same imbalance. I'm gonna record the video for my VIPs, guys. The camera is in my face. I think I wanna shave this. True. All right, guys, how are you? Let's go through this pound US dollar long that I have here. Looking for US dollar shorts today. On the 10-minute chart, we got the liquidation of the Asian London session highs, then a big displacement below the Asian session lows. So looking for a price to tap this imbalance and then continue lower. That's the entire setup that I have on the US dollar. So I go to the markets where I trade the USD, and yep, the pound US dollar yield this massive setup. I mean, this is bullish as F, right? This massive liquidation or price failure at the lows of the day, and then we got a big spike above the daily highs, creating that market structure shift. So I'm looking for price to come towards my imbalance and fill me in long, targeting this point of interest right here for a 1.9R. So let's keep on keeping on, guys. Yeah, so that's what we do on the VIP side, man. That's what we do. So I'm going to log out. I have a ton of things to do. And my internet is not the best at the moment. But again, thank you for joining me, guys. I mean, if you want my trades, just get on board. I'll make it very cheap, right, for everybody to be on board. And yesterday's Euro Yen free trade should in fact pay for your monthly subscription. So again, thank you for joining me, and I will see you around.